Hi, and welcome back to Fort Ord Sadal. Right now we're going to cover ear massage. I call it ear reflexology. So as you turn to the right, we're going to focus in on your ears. Now we're going to grab the lobe of the ear and we're going to pull 10 times away from the body. The lobe represents the face and the head. And we are stimulating the head, the face, nasal passages, congestion, the internal ear, what have you. Now we're going to put our finger into the cavum conchae, which represents the chest cavity, and we're going to do 10 circles forward, and that stimulates the heart and the lungs. And now we're going to go up to the next one, which is called the simba conchae, and that represents the abdominal cavity, and we're going to go back and forth 10 times, and all of your internal organs are in there: the stomach, the spleen, the liver, the gallbladder, small and large intestines. Okay? And now we're going to go up to the next one, which is called the triangular fossa, and that is the pelvic cavity. And so we're stimulating the uterus, the prostate, and all your internal organs inside your pelvis. Now we're going to start at the bottom of the ear. This is called the intertragic notch, and we're going to stick our finger in there. That's where the endocrine glands are, and we're going to go up the spine of the ear straight to the top, and we're going to do that 10 times. And the spine of the ear represents the spine, but it also represents the hips and the legs and the feet. So we're going from the endocrine glands right up the spine to the low back, legs, and feet. And so that's how we're stimulating. Okay, now we're going to start at the top of the ear. This is the apex, and now that the top of the ear is the hands, the fingers, and the arms. And we're going to do that 10 times. So the last one we did the legs, now we're doing the fingers, the hands, the arms, the elbow, and the shoulder. And we're doing that 10 times. So we're actually stimulating all the parts of the body with this little massage. Now of course we're doing this with both hands, but we're only focusing on one so you can actually see the details. Okay, that's 10. Now I want you to move your ear forward, and now with your thumb you're going to massage up the back of your ear. And turn your head slightly so we can get a better look. There we go. And so now you're massaging up the back of the ear, and that is actually the internal spine. So we're actually massaging the inside of the spine. And at the top of the ear is what we call the lowering blood pressure groove. So we're actually getting our blood pressure lowered at the same time. Okay? And now lastly, we're going to do the tragus, which is the little flap over the ear hole. And that little flap controls the hunger and thirst point and the adrenal gland. So we're going to like snap and pull that away from the body. So this controls the adrenal glands, hunger and thirst. So we've just did 8 different parts of the ear, and we have just massaged the entire body. And if we do this, now for purposes of demonstration we only did this 10 times. But for your health, you need to do it 50 to 300 times. So if we did it 100 times, 3 times a day, and we're talking less than 8 minutes here to do the 8 parts of the ear, then actually we're giving ourselves an internal massage. I want a reflexology video, and thank you for being our lovely model. Until we meet again.